Hi, come on in. I'm Caroline and this is Caro-stitched. Now, I've been crocheting for years and believe it or not, this has always been the method I've used for winding my yarn. I've used a toilet roll, the inside of toilet roll, to wind all my yarn on when I need to. But today that is about to change. My husband bought me an electric yarn winder for me to try and stop me having to use this all the time. Now, just for the record, this is not sponsored at all. This is just something that my husband, my wonderful husband, decided that I needed. I will put a link down below for the products that you can find it if you want to. Once I've had a look at it and you can see what I think of it. Okay, now I haven't opened it at all. Packaging is good as far as I can see. Let's have a look on the inside. Okay, so we've got a little thing of instructions. We have our instructions of how to put it together. A little pair of scissor clipper things and a little screwdriver. Looks like a couple of screws, spring and a couple of little belt things. We will find out what we need to do with them. What I laughed about earlier is the fact that it's purple. That's my favourite colour, so yeah, my husband obviously knows me well. So take this out and see what's in here. Not too many parts to it by the look of it, which is good. So yeah, that's the plug in there. It looks like there's only 3 main parts to this, so hopefully it won't take too long to put together. All seems to be in perfectly good condition. Well packaged, these things individually in a bag. All looks really good so far. Okay, what I will do is I will put this together off screen, off the video, so it doesn't take too long. I'm not sure how long it'll take me to do it, but I'll let you know about that when I come back. So it's all assembled and it was really quick to put together. It took me less than 5 minutes, which is really good. Do have the spring isn't actually a bit that I have to put in, but it's there as an extra for the one here. Obviously I just had to put that on and one other screw and then just slot pieces in. Really simple to put together, really easy to follow the instructions to find out what to do. Now I'm going to just use this to test it out and see how it goes. Quite nervous about whether it's going to work or not. I've got a box down here so that the wool doesn't go all over the floor and get dirty. It's supposed to be really simple. You just pull this part back here, which holds the wool in with the spring, put it through the hole at the top, put it onto there, and then we'll give this a go and see how it works. I feel really nervous. I'm going to just, right, let's go. This is on a low setting at the minute. Not too noisy to work with, quite good. Seems to be working quite well. I'm going to try it on the maximum setting and see how it goes with that. That does wobble my table. It's just slightly nervous on the maximum setting. I think I'll put... I can't actually see what it's doing. I think it makes me feel really nervous. Again, it's maybe something I'll get used to as time goes on, but at the minute, it just makes me slightly nervous. It does wobble my table a bit. It is slightly noisier, obviously, on the... Hope you can hear me okay. It's noisier on the maximum setting. My table is wobbling a bit, but it's not doing too badly. It's certainly getting through the wool a lot quicker than what my toilet roll pick does. But I've turned that down to low now that we're coming towards the end. It's actually gone through that ball of wool really quite quickly. I say my trusty old toilet roll takes quite a time to do it. And there we go. Oh, I think that's made an excellent job of it. Look, that's a lovely little ball of wool. Yarn cake. Come out lovely. That I am really, really pleased with. Very, very neat, very tidy. Looks really good. As I say, it's taken a fraction of the time as my toilet roll holder would have done. Yeah, I'm really impressed with how that's worked for my little yarn wind. As I never used it before, but this is, yeah. I will try it with different wools, obviously, to see how it comes out. Definitely satisfied to have it done that way. I'm just not very good with the noise when it's on the maximum. For a quick summary of how it's done, well, as you can see, yarn looks really good, come out really well. Really easy to put together, as I say, just a few minutes to put it together. For working, quite quick to put it all on. I think I may have to work with the tensions a little bit if possible for maybe heavier weight yarns, but I'm not sure. As I say, I haven't used these before, but I think it may need that. So I suppose the big question is, will it replace my trusty toilet roll? Well, I think it probably will. Obviously, only time will tell. I have to test it with other yarns to see how it goes with those as well. Definitely a lot quicker and a lot cleaner. But at the end of the day, it is really anything that makes my life easier. And this is definitely quicker and neater than what I could do using this. And I just think it will be a time saver for myself. So much as I used to love it, for me, that will be going in the bin. So let me know in the comments if you use a yarn winder, if you use a handheld one and prefer that maybe to an electric one, if you use a different type and it's maybe better, or you've used this one in particular, if you know of anything that's a problem with it, or if you have a different method for winding your yarn, or you just have the toilet roll method. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. All helps with the algorithms. All that's left for me to say is thank you for joining me, for keeping me company, and I'll see you in the next one.